Welcome to Yoga for Flexibility with Aurora. Ready? Let's begin. Let's start. Stand tall on your mat. Raise both arms up high. Reach to the sky gently. Breathe in. Stretch a little higher. And breathe out. Keep your body long and relaxed. Stay standing. Lift one arm up. Lean slowly to the side. Keep your body soft. Breathe in and breathe out. Feel the stretch on your side. Now bend forward slowly. Let your arms hang down. Relax your head and neck. Breathe in and breathe out. Feel your back stretch gently. Come down to your hands and knees. Round your back up. Look down softly. Breathe in and breathe out. Feel your spine stretch. Now lift your head. Drop your belly slightly. Open your chest. Breathe in and breathe out. Move slowly and gently. On your hands and knees, round your back like a cat. Breathe in. Now drop your belly. Lift your head. Breathe out. Slow and gentle. Keep going. Walk your hands forward. Keep your hips up. Lower your chest slightly. Breathe in and breathe out. Feel your shoulders stretch. Sit back on your heels. Stretch your arms forward. Rest your head down. Breathe in and breathe out. Feel calm and safe. Sit up slowly. Bring your feet together. Hold your feet gently. Move your knees softly. Breathe in and breathe out like butterfly wings. Stretch your legs forward. Reach your hands ahead. Go slowly. Breathe in and breathe out. Feel your legs stretch. other knee down. Reach toward your front leg. Breathe in and breathe out. Feel the stretch gently. Step 1 foot forward. Lower your back knee. Lift your chest. Breathe in and breathe out. Stay balanced and calm. Sit or stand tall. Turn your body slowly. Keep your spine long. Breathe in and breathe out. Twist gently. Lie down on your back. Bend your knees. Lift your hips slowly. Breathe in and breathe out. Feel your body open. Hold your feet gently. Open your knees wide. Rock slowly side to side. Breathe in and breathe out. Smile and relax. Stand up again. Raise one arm. Lean to the side slowly. Breathe in and breathe out. Feel your side stretch. Bring one arm across your body. Hold it gently. Keep your shoulders relaxed. Breathe in and breathe out. Feel the stretch. Stand or sit tall. Tilt your head to one side. Move slowly. Breathe in and breathe out. Relax your neck. Stand wide. Open your arms and legs. Stretch big like a star. Breathe in and breathe out. Feel open and free. Lie down on your mat. Stretch your arms and legs. Close your eyes. Breathe in and breathe out. Let your body relax completely. Great job today! Keep stretching every day to stay healthy and happy. Follow this channel and join me again. See you next time.